It's really fun.
I'm blown away, actually.
It's so cool. Phenomenal. I love it.
Event is awesome.
Digital Dragons always are the best.
It's like second Christmas for me.
In terms of scale, it's like, growing rapidly and constantly, which is like really refreshing to, see an event which started like a local event, and right now it's, well known around Europe and around the world. It's always like a pleasure.
I always love the Digital Dragons vibe because it's full of passion and it's like a huge party with the coolest people you've ever met.
There are a lot of people who are new to the industry and would like to talk with experts, so we brought experts from our company and they are here for them. So if you are thinking about your career in the game development, I think that's the best place to do it.
When developers visit this conference, the most value they get out of it, besides the lectures, is actually the networking with industry professionals to learn from them, to learn from their mistakes, to actually advance themselves really fast.
You come here and you get a full experience. It's a full development, you get all kinds of different knowledge that you would not get otherwise if you're just in your discipline.
And sometimes, not only feel like Hollywood star. The guys, touch me and scream, "Yeah, Peter, yeah, it's you, yeah, congratulations, great game." And I think that is the best, the great game, because it's everything about the games.
A good mix between established, bigger game developers and then a lot of sort of new starters, a lot of people breaking into the games industry. So there's a real air of excitement around the place.
Gamers care so much for music. Gamers are music lovers and they're very opinionated. Being a composer in the video game environment, it's much more empowering because of the feedback that you get from gamers.
Yeah, there's a lot of chances to meet good customers, to talk to them, to make business, of course, to make arrangement. It's absolutely like this.
When you visit Digital Dragons, you're always welcomed here. While in many other conferences, you're simply a guest. But here, you feel like family.
Gaming community is extremely unique.
If you are not with us this year, then I invite you to join Digital Dragons next year. Yeah!